91, 92.
Reverend Larry Walker, what are you supposed to be doing?
Well, Madam President, whew, you see I got on my black and yellow.
Yes.
I am getting ready for the Baptist Congress of Christian Education's 93rd annual session. And I'm trying to turn the world towards God.
Oh, Lauren, that is a great idea.
Woo.
But I think you have this all mixed up.
Oh, I think I got something. One, two.
Reverend Larry, now what are you supposed to be doing?
I told you, I'm getting ready for the Baptist Congress of Christian Education's 93rd annual session, and I'm trying to turn the world towards God.
Larry, I think you still have it mixed up.
Well, how do you mean?
Well, this year, our Baptist Congress of Christian Education 93rd annual session theme is Turning the World Towards God's Love Through Evangelism and Christian Education.
Oh, I get it now. You know, I was just trying to get ready.
Yeah, we know. And we want everyone else to get ready for the BCCE 93rd annual session as well, which will be Monday, July the 12th through Friday, July the 16th. I'm so excited I can hardly stand it.
Wow, you know, me too.
Me too, and yes, there are going to be workshops and certified courses offered for everyone. And of course, we have our children, youth, and young adult division. And their theme is embracing a new mindset. That's wonderful. And let's not forget, we're going to have 3 nightly services where there will be praise, there will be worship, and there will be the preached word. Oh, and don't forget, you're going to give your 2nd annual presidential address on that Wednesday evening. Oh, we're just so excited.
Oh, shucks now. I got to go put on my best church suit. I'm going to be churching.
Oh, not quite so. Not quite, Lauren. You can put on your Sunday best if you want to, but this Baptist Congress of Christian Education 93rd annual session is going to be all virtual. Yes, we will be virtual via Zoom. So we encourage all of you to get registered today. Registration is just $25 for those 18 and over, and free for all ages 17 and under. Free. That's just wonderful. We can't wait to see you at the BCCE 93rd annual session, July 12th through July the 16th. See you there. See ya.
Oh, you sure I don't need to bring my globe?
Of course you can bring your globe, Laren. We're going to all have fun. Right, Dean? Yes. Yes, indeed. Yes. That was good. That was it.
For more information, contact Dean Claudia Cofield at ccofield6yahoo.com or visit us on Facebook at Baptist Congress Christian Education, MD.